How to remove a background in Picsart. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be going through a step-by-step guide on how to easily remove a background on Picsart. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing first, you're just going to have to go ahead and open up your Picsart app and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you land on your Picsart's page, what you can do is create a new project where you want to remove a background. So click on the plus icon at the bottom here. Now here I have selected an image to edit. So from here, what you can do is go ahead and click on this fit option right here. And then from here, you have different options to change the aspect ratio. So you could change the aspect ratio according to your choice. You can make it square, portrait for your story, and many more. So I'm just gonna keep it as original as it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and undo my settings. And from now here, what you want to do is click on this background option. And once you have done that, now from here you can choose different kind of backgrounds that you want to set on the image. So first thing what you're going to have to do is go ahead and click on the remove background option. So go back to your settings. Now from here you're going to have to click on the select tool up top and then click on person. Now this will completely remove the background, so you could just go back like this. And then from here you can change your background. So I'm just going to tap on background and remove the current background like this. So I'm just going to change it to something like this. Now I'm going to remove the picture's background. So click on person and it will automatically cut out the person. And once you do that, you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.